Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Tteokbokki, spicy Korean rice cake. It's time for a Korean dish today. A chewy, tasty dish coming up. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. There is no preparation for this dish, and the cooking begins. Add in the chicken stock and the rice cakes. When water starts to boil, add in the red pepper paste, hot pepper powder, and sugar. Keep stirring and make sure that the paste is fully dissolved. Once the water is reduced by half, add in the other ingredients. We are using cheese beancurd here. Continue to simmer and let it become thickened. Once it reaches the consistency you want, you are done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!